If you are looking for a high resolution monitor to your 4K camera, then FEELWORLD's F5 PROX 5.5-inch monitor is a perfect choice for you. It features an improved 1600 brightness touchscreen with 1080 pixel resolution and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. It includes 3D LUT support with 4 built-in LUT profiles, and 3D LUTs can be loaded by the operator via an SD card. The F5 PROX features an upgraded 1600 nits brightness touchscreen, which allows you to zoom in or zoom out with a pinch gesture to view closer details in your images. The monitor has an HDMI input and output loop, and it supports up to DCI 4K video signals as well as headphone output for audio monitoring. For accurate exposure, focus, and other characteristics, the F5 PROX is loaded with monitoring features such as vector scope, histogram, anamorphic mode, and audio level meters. Its multiple power option includes a DC barrel input port for an optional power adapter, a 5 VDC USB port for connecting a USB power bank, and a L series battery plate on the rear. There is also an 8.4 VDC barrel output port that allows you to power external devices such as cameras and accessories using a separately available cable. The monitor provides multiple mounting threads so that you can attach the monitor as it best suits your need. A cold shoe mount tilt arm is also included in the package for attaching the monitor directly onto your camera and adjusting the tilt angle as needed. The tilt arm also offers an additional shoe mount on the side for mounting a mic or other accessories such as LED lights. The F5 PROX also comes with an installation bracket secured on the back that allows you to attach transmitters, converters, and other devices. So if you are looking for a high brightness touchscreen field monitor in a budget, then this monitor is for you.